Peter, I want to build a web-based chat app. Where do I even start?
All right, Stewie. First, you need the front end. That's what users see, the chat interface, buttons, text boxes. You can use Next.js or Svelte to build one quickly.
But how do I actually send messages between users? The front end can't do that alone.
You need a back-end server, kid. It handles requests, stores data, and manages user connections. The server acts like a middleman, receives messages from one user and sends them to others.
How do messages appear instantly? Constantly refreshing the page seems stupid.
That's where real-time communication comes in. You establish persistent connections between clients and server. Instead of asking, got any new messages? Every second, the server pushes messages when they arrive.
What protocol handles this real-time messaging stuff?
WebSockets. They create a two-way communication channel that stays open between browser and server. Unlike HTTP requests that close after each response, WebSockets keep the connection alive.
And for video chat, I want to see people's faces while they complain.
That's WebRTC, Web Real-Time Communication. It handles peer-to-peer video and audio streaming. First, you access the user's camera and microphone through browser APIs.
How do two browsers actually connect for video? They don't know each other's addresses.
There's a signaling process. Your server helps users exchange connection information and network details. Think of it like a matchmaker. Introduces two people, then they talk directly without the middleman.
What happens after they exchange this connection info?
They establish a direct peer-to-peer connection and stream video data between their browsers. The server's job is done. Nice users communicate directly, reducing server load and latency.
Where do I store chat history and user accounts? Memory isn't permanent.
You need a database. It persistently stores messages, user profiles, and chat room information. Choose between SQL databases for structured data or NoSQL for flexible document storage.
Any other essential components I'm missing for this thing to actually work?
Authentication system for user login, error handling for connection failures, and scalability considerations. Also implement security measures like input validation and rate limiting to prevent abuse.